comes from the Hebrew language, and it means freedom. Not just freedom from addiction, but freedom to live again, to dream again, and to believe again. It is a powerful word because true freedom is not only physical, it's emotional, mental, and spiritual. Gerrit was born out of both pain and hope. Through the years, we've seen the deep effects of alcohol and drug addiction, how it breaks families, steals potential, and leaves people feeling forgotten. But we have also seen something stronger, the power of restoration. When people are given love, structure, and a safe place to heal. In 2004, I joined the correctional system to facilitate the substance abuse treatment group sessions. It was here in Mangaung Correctional Center. I think at that stage it was GSL. It's now Group 4. For 4 years, I worked closely with inmate violent crimes as a result of their drug use. The inmates taught me that behind every offense lies a story of pain, hopelessness, and a desperate need for healing. The experience made me realize that there is a deep link between trauma, addiction, and crime. In active addiction, people became prisoners of their substance with no freedom. They become prisoners. They want to have freedom, but they can't. They don't know how to escape from the addiction. It is only through honesty, surrender, support, and constant action that they can reach true freedom. That is the heart behind Gerrit. We want to be more than a treatment center. We want to be a place of healing, dignity, and second chances. A place where every person walks through our doors is reminded that their story isn't over and that freedom is possible. Here at Gerrit, we believe that recovery takes a community. It takes the medical care and expertise of doctors, the compassion and dedication of social workers, the emotional insight of psychiatrists and psychologists, the spiritual guidance of pastors, and the consistent support of community members who refuse to give up on others. Together, we can restore lives. Tonight's gathering is not only a celebration of a new facility, it's a celebration of partnership, because none of us can do this alone. The journey to recovery is one that requires teamwork, hard work, not hard work, hard work, and the belief that every person, no matter how broken, is worthy of freedom, healing, and grace. To each of you here, thank you.